Good morning, students. Shantaniketan Junior College, Tripuraram, Inter first year, Maths A, topic multiple and submultiple angles. In the previous class, we can find the values of cos 36 degrees, sin 36, cos 18 degrees. Next, 22.5 degrees values, sin 22.5 degrees, cos 22.5 degrees, tan 22.5 degrees, and cot 22.5 degrees values. Okay, today first problem is simplify 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. Okay, simplify mean we can write the total term in the least form. There are totally two terms are the numerator and denominator. The two terms can be written in the form of only single term. So numerator denominator ఉన్నటువంటి terms ని least term కుదించి రాయాలి. సింప్లిఫై చేస్తూ సింగిల్ టర్మ్ వచ్చేటట్టుగా సింప్లిఫై చేస్తూ రాయాలి. ఓకే, 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. Here cos 2 theta can be written negative term. So 1 minus, already we know the formulas of cos 2a. Cos 2a formulas are cos 2 theta. There are totally 4 formulas are there, but in that 4 formulas only sin term formulas, because the denominator is in the form of sin terms. So cos 2 theta can be written as only sin terms. That formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. What is the formula of sin 2 theta? That is 2 sin theta cos theta. So now we can write 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta by sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta. That equal 1 minus 1 minus of minus plus 2 sin square theta by 2 sin theta cos theta. So here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. That equal remaining terms are 2 sin square theta by 2 sin theta cos theta. So here 2 get cancelled. 1 sin theta get cancelled. The remaining term is only sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta means that is tan theta. So we can simplify 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta can be written as only single term, that is equal tan theta. So here we can using the formulas of cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta formulas. Okay students, understand? Everyone know that one? Okay, completed. Write on the next one. Simplify. Simplify. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. Simplify. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. Listen here. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. That equal 3 cos theta plus, we know the formula of cos 3 theta. What is the formula of cos 3a? That is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by 3 sin theta minus of, what is the formula of sin 3 theta? Sin 3 theta formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So on the numerator plus 3 cos theta minus 3 cos theta get cancelled. Remaining term on the numerator 4 cos cube theta by 3 sin theta minus 3 sin theta minus of minus plus 4 sin cube theta. So on the denominator, in the denominator plus 3 sin theta minus 3 sin theta get cancelled. So the total remaining terms are 4 cos cube theta by 4 sin cube theta. So 4 get cancelled. Cos cube theta by sin cube theta. So total numerator and denominator both are the cube terms. So the total term can be written as cos theta by sin theta whole cube. Cos theta by sin theta can be written as cot theta whole cube. That equals cot cube theta. Okay, students, understand? Same this model homework problem. Simplify sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So your denominator cos theta, cos 2 theta is in positive sign. So positive terms mean the term can be written as in only cos terms. Okay, everyone note that one. Completed. Write down the question. Evaluate the following first one 6 sin 20 6 sin 20 degrees minus 8 sin cube 20 degrees. Evaluate the following 6 sin 20 degrees minus 8 sin cube 20 degrees. Okay. We can evaluate the following which function 6 sin 20 degrees minus 8 sin cube 20 degrees. So here we don't know value of 20 degrees for sine. We know the values of only 22 and half degrees, 67 and half degrees, 18 degrees, 36 degrees. So but here we don't know the value of 20 degrees value. So but in these two function, which term is common term? 6, 8. In the students, what is the common term? We get 2 is the common term. 2 of 3 sin 20 degrees minus 4 sin cube 20 degrees. That equal 2. This total term is in the form of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Can be written as sin 3 theta. By using multiple angle formula, sin 3 theta, this total term can be written as sin 3 into theta is here 20 degrees. That equal 2 sin 3 into 2, 60 degrees. We know the value of sin 60. What is the value of sin 60 degrees? Sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2. So 2 to get cancelled, that equal root 3. So what is the value of 6 sin 20 degrees minus 8 sin cube 20 degrees value is root 3. Okay, everyone note that one. Completed. Okay, that is the next one, second one. Second one, cos square 72 degrees minus sin square 54 degrees. Third one, sin square 42 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees. So second one, cos square 72 degrees minus sin square 54 degrees. So 72 we can consider A, 54 we can consider B. The total function is in the form of cos square A minus sin square B. That equal cos A plus B into cos a minus b. So here cos square a minus sin square b can be written as cos a plus b. A is here 72 plus 54 into cos a minus b, 72 minus 54. That equal cos 72 plus 54, 90, 126 into cos 72 minus 54, 18. Cos 126 value. We don't know the value of 126 degrees, but 126 can be written as 90 plus 36 into cos 18 degrees. Cos 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is in which coordinate? Second coordinate. In the second coordinate, cos is negative. 90 plus is an odd multiple. Odd multiple means cos will be changed sin 36 into cos 18 degrees. So minus, what is the value of sin 36? We know the value of sin 36. That is under root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 into cos 18 under root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. So numerators are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So minus under root of a square 10 square minus b square 2 root 5 whole square by 4 4 ja 16. That equal minus under root of 10 square 100 minus 2 root 5 whole square 4 5 ja 20 by 16. So minus root 80 by 16. So root 80 can be written as 16 5 ja root 80. So minus 4 root 5 by 16. So 4 1 ja 4 4 ja. That equals minus root 5 by 4. So third one is homework problem. Hint is here. This term is in the form of sin square a minus sin square b. That is equal can be written as sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So a is here 42, b is here 12. 42 plus 12, 56, 54. 54 can be written as 90 minus 36. 42 minus 12, 30. Okay, you don't note that one. Okay, completed. Okay. Further, the next problem. If cos A is equal to under root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. find the value of cos 2a. Okay students, here what is the given value? Given that cos a is equal square root of under root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, then find the value of cos 2a. Okay, so first of all, given that cos a is equal under root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, we can find the value of cos 2a. Cos 2a formula in terms of only cos, that is 2 cos square a minus 1, that equal 2 into, we know the value of cos a. What is the value of cos a? Root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole square minus 1. So your square root get cancelled, that equal 2 of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 minus 1. So your 2 get cancelled, that equal root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. So now is your LCM is root 2 plus 1 minus root 2. So root 2 get cancelled, that equal 1 by root 2. This is the value of cos 2a. This is by using the formula cos 2a. Okay, alternative method. The second method is given that cos a is equal under root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So cos a is equal, so this total value can be written as under root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 value is, which degree value is under root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2? That is cos 22.5 degrees value. So a is equal 22.5 degrees. So 22.5 degrees. We can find the value of cos 2a. Cos 2 into 22.5 degrees. That equal cos 2 into 22.5 degrees means 45.5 degrees. So 2 get cancelled, that equal cos 45 degrees. We know the value of cos 45. What is the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2. So A model solve chesina kuda answer same vastundi. Okay, everyone knows that one. The remaining problems will be continued in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.